Hello and welcome to another SEO Content Machine Next tutorial video. Today's going to be a very quick one. I'm going to cover the usage of groups, which was added recently to this version here, 2019627. So now you're going to have a little text box next to each article created task, and in this group box you just enter a group name. So for example, I'm going to go with cat and dog. What this basically means is that for this task Essentia copy, it's been assigned to group cat. Now the usefulness of this is if we go up to where it says article created task list, there's a group, and now there's a new group task filter. At the moment it's set to all tasks, but if I click on the drop down arrow, we can see that indeed you can see cat and dog listed as possible options. If I click on cat, I'm only going to see tasks assigned to group cat. If I click on dog, only tasks assigned to group dog. If I delete the group name, I can go back to all tasks, and if I want to assign anything to a new group, it's a simple matter of just changing the group name, and the filter will update automatically as well.